Fridge just arrived, but just got only one pair of bushes for the legs. Kinda disappointed ABT that. Nice looking with good cooling, it's enough to small family. Very good product. Product exactly the same. Excellent product and delivery time is very good. Keep it up. Product damage bottom backside leg brake. Good choice. Excellent product. This product is very best one. Super design and good quality. Price is low cost, better product. Worth of cost. I like it. Today I got delivery from Amazon. It was amazing. I like it very much. Thank you Amazon. Super product under 12K. Awesome product. Delivery service of Amazon excellent. Awesome product. 100% super. Value for money. Please buy it. I loved this product a lot. Thank you Whirlpool, Amazon team. I highly recommend. All think this is color, capacity, price are good from all refrigerator less than 15,000. Awesome product. Nice. You can buy it. The product is same as shown in Amazon. Very nice product and best rate. Very happy to decided to buy this product. Nice color and enough space, but warranty card is not in box. Good product in this price, quality is so good. Thanks Amazon. Price wise ठीक है. Great refrigerator. This price, fast cooling, fast icing, fast delivery. Love you Amazon. Best product at this price, very well shipping. AMI option is very helpful. Tangu, Kotak and Amazon. Nice one. The fridge is very beautiful. Beautiful graphics. Good storage. Excellent for a small family. Not taking much space. The build is sturdy. Partition built smartly. I wish the egg tray could hold 12 eggs, but trays only of capacity for 6 eggs. Chills very fast. And the biggest plus point of this fridge is that the vegetables cabinet is designed so well that it keeps the vegetables fresh for long time. Even the green leafy vegetables remains fresh for long. It was impressive to see even after a week the spinach kept inside it was so fresh. Value for money. Great piece by Whirlpool. Packing and delivery was brilliant. Not even a single scratch found on the piece. Got it for 9,341 rupees after instant discount and cashback in Diwali sale. Received in good condition. Look is good. Super cooling. Note VIP, you must have 5-way socket 3-4 feet from floor level. Or get a stabilizer or extension box ready, otherwise you cannot connect to power supply and run this fridge. I suffers a lot because of this. So be prepared in advance. During installation, Whirlpool rep Subhash has broken my high wattage bulb. Pathetic. Product came real good. Same product delivered. Packings were good and no scratch and damage PF the product. Nice product. Very good product. Good product, no noise at all and no heating, spacious. Compressor noise problem. And demo person also not visit home. Still not solved problem. Further working good. Whirlpool customer care, plus look into this. Click link in description for more reviews.